When you log into Microsoft Project Online, you will land in the PWA Home page. PWA stands for Project Web App, which is the web-based interface to Project Online. In PWA, the page is comprised of three sections: the ribbon at the top, the quick launch on the left, and the content display area in the middle. Note that, as we expect with Microsoft, there are more ways than one to accomplish something. For example, to access the Project Center, you can click on the link in Quick Launch, which takes you to the Project Center, or alternatively, if I navigate back to the PWA Home, I can click on this tile and it'll take me to the Project Center. As you may have noticed, the content display area and the ribbon will change and show controls and tools according to the page you're on. Now, to navigate back to the home page, you can either click PWA Home from the quick launch, or there's a logo for PWA Home that resides right underneath this ribbon. So to hide this ribbon, I will double click on it and I can see the logo and I can click on it. And now I'm back in the PWA Home.